Did you know that you can meet all your protein needs on a plant-based diet? Many people believe they need animal products to get enough protein, but that is simply not true. Hey everyone, welcome to day 13 of our Proven Cancer Strategies Revealed 90-Day to Cancer Resilience series. I'm Debbie Sadie-Fi, and today we are talking about our best plant-based protein sources and how they can contribute to cancer prevention and overall health. Let's start with the fact that protein is essential for building and repairing muscles, making enzymes and hormones, and supporting immune function. It's a vital nutrient that our body needs to function properly. Now, according to the CDC, women need about 46 grams of protein per day, and men need somewhere around 56 grams. The good news is that a plant-based diet can easily meet these needs. Let's talk about the risk of animal proteins. High levels of IGF-1, which is a hormone that promotes cancer, are linked to the intake of animal protein. For instance, a study that was published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that high protein intake, particularly from animal sources, was associated with higher levels of IGF-1, and that provided an increased risk of cancer. Colin Campbell research, particularly from the China study, found that increasing animal protein intake is linked to an increased risk of cancer. His study demonstrated that casein, which is the main protein in cow's milk, promotes all stages of the cancer process. So if you think of your body as a garden, if you are over fertilizing, it can lead to the growth of weeds and invasive species, and consuming too much animal protein can fuel the growth of cancer cells. But on the other hand, plant-based proteins act like the perfect amount of compost that nourishes the garden without promoting any unwanted growth. So let's talk about the top plant-based sources of protein. We're going to start with legumes, which is our beans, our lentils, chickpeas as well. They are high in protein and fiber. They help to regulate blood sugar levels, and they support our digestive health. You can use them in soups, in stews, in salads. You can make a bean dip. There's hummus as well. Number 2 on our list is quinoa. Quinoa is an ancient grain. It is a complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids. It's rich in fiber, magnesium, and antioxidants. And it is so easy to make. You can use it for a base for salads. You can use it as a side dish. You can put it in a breakfast bowl. Very versatile, ancient grain. Number 3 on the list is tofu, tempeh, and edamame. These are made from soybeans, which also is a complete protein. It's very rich in iron and calcium. You can do a stir fry, you can bake your tofu or your tempeh. You can add it to soups and salads. Edamame, you can eat it in the pod just like it is. Steam it and eat it. Nuts and seeds like almonds, chia seeds, hemp seeds, flax seeds are very high in protein as well and in healthy fats, rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. And you can use nuts and seeds in smoothies. You can add some to your oatmeal. You can have it in salads. You can put it in a dressing. All very easy. You can make nut milks as well. Number 5 on the list is spirulina. So spirulina is a blue-green algae that is incredibly nutrient dense. It contains protein, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. And you can buy it in a powder form and just add it to your smoothies or your juices. Number 6 on the list is nutritional yeast. This is one of my favorites, and this is the pro tip for getting that very cheesy flavor. Nutritional yeast is deactivated yeast that's high in protein and vitamin B's that provides a cheesy flavor and is fortified with vitamin B. You can sprinkle it on your popcorn. You can use it to make a cheese sauce. You can put it in salads, in dressings. It is very versatile, and you can make cheese with it. Number 7 on the list is vegetables. These are things like broccoli, spinach, Brussels sprouts. These contain smaller amounts of protein, but are also important for a balanced diet. They're rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. And you can steam your vegetables, stir fry them, add them to soups and casseroles. So many ways that you can have your veggies, and you can eat them raw as well with a hummus dip or some kind of a bean dip. Double duty that way. What are the benefits of plant-based proteins? Plant-based proteins are generally lower in saturated fats and free of cholesterol, making them a heart-healthy choice. Besides protein, plant-based sources are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. For example, your nuts and seeds are rich in healthy fats and omega-3 fatty acids. And choosing plant-based protein helps to reduce our environmental footprint. It requires fewer resources like water and land and produces fewer greenhouse gases when compared to animal protein production. I encourage you to incorporate one or more plant-based proteins into your meals. It's a delicious and nutritious way to support your health and reduce your cancer risk. So our simple change for this day is to try adding one plant-based protein source to your meals today, whether it's beans in your salad or a handful of nuts as a snack. Small changes can make a big difference. I'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite plant-based protein recipe in the comments. And thank you for joining me today. Remember, incorporating plant-based proteins into your diet can be a delicious and nutritious way to support your health, resilience against cancer, and don't forget to join me tomorrow for day 14, where we will continue our journey to cancer resilience. See you then.